one of the world's least appreciated scientists is the ornithologist, or egg collector to you, whose trail penetrates the wildest and most difficult of mountains, the Andes. Let us observe this brave scientist as he goes in search of the giant condor egg. Once the nest is sighted, the egg collector's trouble really begins. Care should be taken to remove the egg during the mother's absence. If this is not accomplished, it becomes necessary to seek cover. One should not be too hasty in selecting a hiding place, for one may find oneself in a very hot spot. The big moment in the life of a baby condor is when his mother takes him from the nest for the very first time and teaches him to fly. Sometimes storm clouds appear without a moment's notice. A great deal of urging is sometimes needed to get the young condor off the limb. But once the fledgling gets the feel of the wind in his wings, he comes in for his landing with all the self-assurance of a veteran pilot. If the mother condor shows favoritism, there's bound to be jealousy. The egg collector often finds himself in a predicament which calls for strategy, and he must even use a decoy.
Get situation door straw and then you'll finesse.
At last, the egg collector triumphant. So you can see how difficult it is to get the egg without getting the bird.